It's Anonymous Ninja, and today I'm going to be doing a vlog on my little doggies, my little puppies. Look at this one right here. Oh my gosh, look it. Hi doggy. Sorry puppies, it's so bright, huh? I have my light on. This one's so playful. Oh my gosh, he's trying to bite his other tail. Yeah, they're pretty. This one's pretty playful right here. Sorry guys. This one right here. And then that's the mom. Bree. 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 Fat dog. There you are. Look. That one's trying to follow her. Oh my gosh. Scared me. Here. Come here, doggy. Look. They're all boys too, so that's cool. This one's trying to... What is this one doing? Look at him. What are you doing, dude? But yeah, that one's like super playful. Look at them wagging their toes. The other ones? Bree. The doggy growled and then she got all weirded out. What the heck? Come here, doggy. Come here, Junior. We already named them. This one right here is Spot. This one right here is Junior, and we still haven't named the other one. But yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video for today. I'm gonna be doing vlogs because it's obvious that you guys like my vlogs more than my gaming videos, but that's alright. So, drop a like down on this comment, and yeah. Oh no.